Welcome back to Deck Trains, a series where we look at a different train set from the collection every week. It is week 112 as far as locomotives go. It's week 120 as far as time frame goes. We remain in Deutschland and we feature a 1988 Roco number 43244 BR 42 052-1 steam tender loco. These 3-cylinder 282 locos were pre-war, started in 1936 as the DR-41. 366 units were produced, 99 survived World War II, and were rebuilt as oil-fired. In 1968, when the DB renumbered their stock, these were reclassified as BR 42 and 43s with a top speed of 90 kilometers per hour or 56 miles an hour. Our unit runs a scale 70.56 kilometers per hour. That's 43.8 miles an hour at only 50% power. And our standard feature of Part 2, the Fleischmann Track Cleaning Wagen, becomes the number 5569 this week. Because we don't need fancy NEM pockets, we have traditional Fleischmann couplers to work with. And of course it will pair with our BR42 and 2 Fleischmann 1472 articulated auto transport wagons. And remember, these go way back. We featured some of these in week 25. These are rebuilt wagons that I was able to acquire spare parts for to get them running as 2 full complete ones. Not complete with automobiles? Maybe next time. Here's a quick look back at week 25 featuring the Fleischmann BR41. It's number 1364 from the Fleischmann catalog. And we'll look at one of the tracks from week 25 with all those auto transports going by. Thanks for watching, folks, and stay tuned for the next train set, which will make its appearance soon.